Hey guys, how you doing? I'm alright. I'm driving down the road and I stopped to talk to one of my friends. Well, I stopped to talk to TJ for a while, and she said, "You sound tired. You've been going like a, crazy woman day after day, and you haven't stopped in weeks and just rested." And I said, "Yeah, you're right, but I feel like there's something I need to get done, or there's something I need to, I don't know how to explain it." Well, I had gone 12 miles past Shreveport that I wanted to shoot some things. So I told her, I said, "I'm gonna go back and shoot it." I was originally gonna say hell with it, but I'm gonna go back and shoot it, and if I can find it. But while I was at the pilot station, I saw this cutest dog. I don't know what kind of dog he was, but he kind of looked like he had a little boxer in him, and hound dog. Yeah, that's the best way I can describe it. Anyway, he's laying down there, but he's got sunglasses on. White sunglasses. I thought that was the coolest thing. Well, his owner was there too, and I'm thinking, oh my God, he's skinny. And he had two great big backpacks, and I'm thinking, holy crap, don't tell me this guy's walking. Well, he had a sign on him that says, being hungry, and he's trying to get to Alabama. And so I went back in the back of the van and got my stash out, and I gave him $20. And I gave his dog a jar of dog food. And I almost just broke down. After all the homeless I've seen on this trip, that just about did it. And a lot of people say, "Oh, you were stupid for getting women money. You're stupid. That's all a con. Blah, blah, blah." I know there's cons out there, trust me, and there's a big YouTube star out there that is a con woman. If you have to sit out in the sun all day long, that to me is worse than having a 9-to-5 job, okay? I don't know what his story is. I don't know what, happened to him. I don't know why his car might be broke down. He might be filthy rich. I don't know, okay? But all I know is I gave out of the goodness of my heart. Yeah, it's $20, so I'll do without a couple things. Okay, no big deal. Like I've said before, I have a roof over my head. But this guy, I don't know if he does or not. So as far as I'm concerned, I'm good with God. I gave out of the goodness of my heart. It's up to him and God to see what happens next, okay? I feel the right thing And some of you might be upset, but I couldn't help it. I couldn't help it. You think, oh, well, you did a good job. You did a good job. You should be happy. I'm not. It's killing me. I couldn't give him more. That's why I'm going back to Shreveport and trying to find something fun. So, wish me luck, everybody. Right now I need it. Oh, Tall Billings, that must be Shreveport. I missed it the first time. Oh, God, what a... Okay, I'll let you know if I see anything interesting. Take it easy, take the long way home. Woo-hoo.